Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we examine a very interesting topic, ancient wisdom for modern stress relief. Are you feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Stress in recent times seems higher than ever, from digital overload to global uncertainties. But what if the key to calm wasn't a new app or gadget, but ancient wisdom that has stood the test of time? A modern stress epidemic. Chronic stress isn't just uncomfortable, it's costly. It affects our health, our relationships, and our productivity. Our ancestors lived with fewer distractions and developed timeless techniques to handle life's challenges. Today, we can learn from them. Unearthing ancient mindfulness. Mindfulness has deep roots. Stoicism teaches us to control our perceptions rather than external events. Eastern meditation offers simple breathing exercises for instant calm. And nature itself was therapy. From forest bathing to grounding, connecting with the earth resets the mind. Movement as medicine. Movement is also powerful. Tai Chi and Qigong provide gentle practices for a calm mind. Yoga strengthens the mind-body connection beyond just stretching. Even intentional walking, turning everyday errands into mini meditations, can help maintain clarity and focus. Nourishing the mind from within. What we eat and how we sleep have a major impact on mental well-being. Ayurvedic wisdom encourages balancing your doshas for inner harmony. The Mediterranean diet provides nutrient-rich foods to support mental health. And the sleep rituals of our ancestors, consistent schedules, natural light, and relaxation, show us why they rested more deeply than we do today. Integrating ancient wisdom today. The key is action. Start with one ancient practice this week: a breathing exercise, gentle movement, or intentional walk. Small, consistent changes add up over time. Build your personalized stress relief toolkit and reclaim your calm now and beyond. In conclusion, ancient wisdom isn't just history, it's a roadmap for modern life. Start small, stay consistent, and your mind, body, and spirit will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a calmer, healthier life. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor for medical advice.